Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is correspondent. Now, what does that mean? Are you a reporter? Are you out in the field? No. If you're a broker-dealer and you don't have your own clearing arrangement, you have a correspondent clearing firm that clears trades for you because you don't have the facilities or the money to do so. Now, to be a correspondent clearing firm, you need a ton of cash, and with that ton of cash, it requires a lot of responsibility to settle those trades or counterparty risk. There's such things as correspondence banks. Hey, listen, if you're a credit union, you may have a correspondent bank like Wells Fargo that handles your big wires and transactions. Today's word is correspondent. What we mean is a correspondent business to service another financial institution.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.